Hello. Today we are going to learn social media marketing in digital marketing. In Module 5 we have these topics: developing a social media strategy, building and engaging with social media communities, advertising on social media platforms, for example Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Developing a social media strategy involves a series of steps to ensure that your social media efforts are aligned with your business goals and effectively engage your target audience. Here is an overview of the process. 1. Define your social media goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your 1. Social media efforts. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or engage with your audience? Having clear goals will help you determine the most effective social media strategy. 2. Define your target audience. Identify your target audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and pain points. This will help you tailor your messaging and content to resonate with your audience. 3. Choose the right social media platforms. Determine which social media platforms are best suited for your business and target audience. This could include Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or others. 4. Develop your content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your goals and target audience. This could include creating a content calendar, developing content themes, and determining the types of content to share, such as blog posts, videos, or infographics. 5. Create compelling content. Create content that is relevant, valuable, and engaging for your target audience. This could include educational content, entertaining content, or content that addresses your audience's pain points. 6. Engage with your audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. This will help you build relationships and foster loyalty among your followers. 7. Measure and optimize your strategy. Regularly monitor your social media metrics, such as engagement, reach, and conversion rates. Use this data to optimize your strategy, such as adjusting your content strategy or targeting options. By following these steps and continually optimizing your social media strategy, you can effectively engage your target audience and achieve your business goals. Building and engaging with social media communities. Building and engaging with social media communities is a key component of any successful social media strategy. Here are some tips for building and engaging with your social media communities. 1. Define your community. Identify the people who are most likely to engage with your brand and become a part of your social media community. This could include customers, fans, influencers, and others who share an interest in your industry or niche. 2. Create a content strategy. Develop a content strategy that resonates with your target community. This could include sharing industry news, offering tips and advice, sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business, or hosting live Q&A sessions. 3. Foster engagement. Encourage your community to engage with your content by asking questions, soliciting feedback, and responding to comments and messages in a timely manner. This will help you build relationships and foster a sense of community among your followers. 4. Offer exclusive content and promotions. Reward your community by offering exclusive content and promotions, such as discounts, giveaways, or sneak peeks of new products or services. This will help incentivize engagement and foster loyalty. 5. Host events. Consider hosting virtual or in-person events to bring your community together and create opportunities for engagement. This could include hosting webinars, Twitter chats, or Facebook Live sessions. 6. Monitor and address concerns. Regularly monitor your social media channels for concerns or complaints from your community. Address these concerns in a timely and professional manner to show that you value their feedback and are committed to providing excellent customer service. 7. Continuously measure and optimize. Monitor your social media metrics, such as engagement rates and follower growth, and adjust your strategy as needed. This will help you continually improve your community building efforts and achieve your social media goals. By following these tips and engaging with your social media community in a thoughtful and authentic way, you can build a loyal following and create a thriving social media community for your brand. Advertising on social media platforms, for example, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. 1. Advertising on social media platforms can be a powerful way to reach your target audience and achieve your marketing goals. Here are some steps to get started with social media advertising. 2. Define your advertising goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your social media advertising, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or driving sales. 3. Choose the right social media platform. Determine which social media platform is best suited for your target audience and advertising goals. For example, Facebook and Instagram are great for reaching a wide audience, while LinkedIn is more effective for B2B marketing. 4. Create your ad campaign. Create your ad campaign by selecting the ad format, setting your budget, and choosing your target audience. Ad formats can include image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more. 5. Develop your ad creative. Create ad creative that is visually appealing and relevant to your target audience. This could include high-quality images or videos, compelling ad copy, and a clear call to action. 6. Launch your ad campaign. Launch your ad campaign and monitor its performance. Pay attention to metrics such as click-through rates, cost per click, and conversion rates to determine the effectiveness of your campaign. 7. Continuously optimize your ad campaign. Use the data from your ad campaign to make adjustments and improve its performance. This could include tweaking your target audience, adjusting your ad creative, or changing your bidding strategy. By following these steps and continuously optimizing your social media advertising campaigns, you can effectively reach your target audience and achieve your marketing goals. It's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in social media advertising to ensure that your campaigns remain effective over time. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next video.